The yoga upward bow pose with one leg up, also known as Eka Pada Urdhva Dhanurasana, is a challenging yet invigorating yoga posture that combines strength, flexibility, and balance. This advanced variation of the upward bow pose, Urdhva Dhanurasana, requires a solid foundation in back bends and leg strength. Here's a step-by-step guide and video on how to practice this pose.
Upward bow pose with one leg up. Raise your body. Lift your leg and hold. Breathe. Leg down. Then lift your other foot. Being aware of your breath. Leg down and lie down. Relax.